Hello, my name's John with Showtime Entertainment. Congratulations on renting your Ultimate Party Package Karaoke Combo from Showtime. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and run your system. If your system has already been delivered and set up, please skip ahead so we can show you how to run your software. Let's take a look at the equipment you will have in your karaoke system. You should have one iPad, one iPad stand, one iPad charger, two microphones, two microphone stands, two speakers, two speaker stands, four XLR cables, two XLR to quarter-inch cables, two power cables, one mixer stand, one RCA to 1/8-inch cable, one 3-headed extension cable, one power strip. Now it's time to set up your karaoke system. Start by setting up your speaker stands in the location of your choosing. Be sure to set the height to at least chin level, so we don't get any feedback from the microphones. Next, we'll set up the mixer and iPad stands. Pick a location that's easily viewable for the singer. Plug the power cables into both speakers and run them into the power strip. Next, plug in the power cord for the mixer and run into the power strip. The iPad will also have a charger. Plug this into the power strip as well. Next, we will take the XLR to quarter-inch cables and plug them into the mixer through the quarter-inch side. Look for the ports named Stereo Out on the mixer. Next, we will take the two XLR cables and plug them into the other end of our XLR to quarter-inch cables. After that, we'll take the end of the XLR cables and plug them directly into the input of your speakers. Make sure your speaker volumes are set to 12 o'clock. Your master mixer volume should be turned all the way down. Now let's connect the iPad to the mixer. Take the RCA to 1/8-inch cable and plug in the 1/8-inch side to the headphone jack of the iPad. Now take the RCA side and plug into the mixer ports labeled 7/8, red to red, white to white. Finally, we will take the remaining XLR cables and plug them into the mixer ports labeled Mic 1 and Mic 2. We will then use our microphones to plug into the other end of the XLR cables. Turn on your mixer and speakers and adjust your volume. You have just set up your karaoke system. Now I would like to explain how to use and maximize your mixer. Let's start with the gain. This is a small preamp that will drive more signal to the microphone. The optimum setting is at the 10 o'clock position. Next is your bass roll off switch. Make sure this is pushed in and engaged. The bass roll off switch rolls off some low end to make your vocals smoother and avoids deep rumble feedback. Next is the EQ section. A good rule of thumb is less is more. 12 o'clock settings work best, but if you need a little more, a little goes a long way. Anything past the 2 o'clock position is too much and could result in nasty feedback. Next is the pan position. This should be set at 12 o'clock. Last is your mic volume. Use this to raise or lower the volume of the singers. To control the volume of the karaoke music, just head over to the volume knob of the channel 7 and 8. Now let's go through how to use your karaoke software. Start by turning on your iPad by pressing the square button on the face of your iPad. On the desktop, you'll see an application labeled Karaoke HD. On the left side of the program, you will see a list of options. Start by selecting Stream Karaoke instantly. Now you can click on the main search bar and type in the artist or song you're looking for. Once you have found your track, simply press play. You should be rocking. If you have purchased the Ultimate Party Package, you'll also have access to our huge library of music for your event. Use this by going to the desktop of the iPad and selecting the iTunes application. From here, we have playlists separated by dance, hip-hop, country, alternative, top 40s, contemporary. Just select one of these playlists and go. Thanks again for watching our video on how to set up your Ultimate Party Package Karaoke Combo from Showtime.